My name's Kathy. I have worked out all of my life since I've been 19 years old. My degree is in physical therapy and rehab, and I practiced as a certified trainer for years. One day I came into this office where the machine is right now, and my new sneakers stuck on the area rug, got captured underneath the corner of the carpet, and by the time I realized it, the one leg did not come forward. I hit the ground at a complete 90-degree directly on my left knee. So we operated. I was in a locked position with my knee for over 2 months, prior to surgery, during surgery, and while it was healing. As we progressed, I went to 22 PT appointments, and quite a bit of it, I was gaining about 5 degrees every week. But I would say it was downright torture after a while to get it to a 90, and the doctor wanted it at 100. So I got to almost 90, I'd say about 85 was bearable. 90, it was just when the physical therapist, no fault of their own, was trying to get to 90, help me get to it. I could just feel my body fighting against it. So if you're forcing the knee to bend and it doesn't want to, it's just going to build up the fluid. It's going to build up more scar tissue. And so I called PJ, and I was really happy to hear the results were so positive for people who have had MUAs before, and they went to 2 operations to have the manipulation under anesthesia, and they only got further along with this machine. So I've been at it for about 2.5 weeks, and I started at a very miserable, painful 85 to 90. And as of yesterday, I was at 121. And I feel it's a miracle because I don't think without the machine I'd still be sitting at 90. I have gained so much function in 2 weeks. I actually can kneel because my leg will bend enough, and I can just kind of stay on the knee a little bit. The knee itself, is still kind of sensitive. Everything's easier. Sitting for a length of time is easier. I just drove back from my daughter's home, which is over an hour. I felt no pain in my knee the whole time. And then I can actually pull socks on and put my shoe on. And also, I noticed that last night I put my feet up on ottoman, and the knee was flexed and the hip was flexed, and there was no pain. And that was just so wonderful. I believe it's the 3 times a day. It is the gentleness of the machine. It's just amazing how it can monitor, and if your leg's fighting, even if you push the button to go more, it just kind of tells you no, not yet. It's just a miracle, and I just appreciate the invention of it, and to really get it out there. I think every doctor should see this. Any orthopedic surgeon should see this in their office, and to really add value to the patient's recovery. Because surgery is just the first step. And I think motivation stimulates people to attain more. I'd be happy to talk to anybody who wants to ask a former patient what value it brought to their life.